Hey guys, this is me Priya. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create Telegram channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. First of all, open Telegram app. Click on the pencil icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on the new channel. Type your channel name. Tap on profile picture icon and select a photo from file manager. Here you can provide a description for your channel. Then select your channel type. If you select public channel, then anyone can join your channel by searching the name of your channel in Telegram. And if you select private channel, then you will get an invite link and people will only be able to join your Telegram channel via this invite link here. And select public channel. If you select public channel, then add a public link which other people will be able to find and join your channel easily. Then click on the tick mark at the top right corner. Here you can add people to your channel. Then finally click on the arrow sign at the bottom right corner and your Telegram channel has been created successfully. Now you can copy the link to your channel and send it anywhere.